So I came up with a cool hack to extend my pack of floss, and I want to share that with you. So normally I need like, what, a foot maybe more, of floss to wrap around my fingers and be able to get all the way in the back of my mouth. That's just a lot of floss that I go through, and I've been traveling a bunch lately, spending weeks at a time in remote villages where it's hard to restock on this stuff. So trying to figure out a way to use less of it. So here's what I came up with. So all you need is a couple of spare key rings lying around. An amount of floss about this much should do, and you just basically wrap it around a couple times and run it through the slit of the key ring, and do the same thing on the other side. And then you end up with something really strong that you can get in the back of your teeth. No problem. Also wanted to mention that I tried using knots, and while it is stronger, it's kind of a pain in the butt to remove, so this is also just really easy to just undo. Toss your floss when you're done with it.